Welcome to our how-to videos on the Iowa Falls State Bank app. Let's learn how to update profile information. This includes your email, home phone, cell phone, and address. This is important to keep correct in case we need to contact you in case of fraud or suspicious activity on your account. We will also be implementing multi-factor authentication, and correct information will be needed to proceed to log into your mobile and online banking. Once logged in and you can see your listing of accounts, click on the toggle or gear in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the Profile Information option on the middle of the menu under Personalize. You will see all your contact information listed. Please update anything that is incorrect or needs updated. Once information is reviewed and correct, click Submit. You will get a confirmation screen saying Customer Update executed successfully. Click OK, and your information will be updated. Thank you for watching.